Good afternoon YouTube and the internet. Sunday afternoon. Today I'm going to be changing the cabin filter in the BA Falcon. Unfortunately, the BA Falcon maintenance vids seem to be the most popular things on my channel, which is disappointing. But if that's what you're here for, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so the panel filter is located in behind. Panel filter. Well, it is a panel filter. The cabin filter is located in behind here. Now we need to pull out this paperwork. Get rid of that cable that's in the way, and release up here. Coming closer. Up in here, there's a clip. You release that by pushing it down. That's it there. Oh, spare fuse. And then once that's down, just lift that up, pull it out. Just pull off. There we go. Bit more force. Straight up. Boom. So you remove the glove box. Now we have access to a very, very dirty behind glove box area. It contains our panel filter, which is up here. So if we zoom in, pull it to the side. Ooh. Holy messy. Any wonder? It was ticking when I put the fan on. So because of that mess, I'm going to get the vacuum cleaner in there and suck out as much of that as I can. So I've given all in there a bit of a vacuum, got out all the leaves. Here's your replacement filter. You can just clean the filter that came out of it, but it's not as fine a filter as these, so this will keep out more dust and more fine stuff. If you're asthmatic or have any breathing difficulty, I would recommend doing this. It's pretty idiot proof. This side up. Apart from that, there's no front or back. So, I just need to slip this into the hole. It's very difficult to do it while not looking, so I don't block this shot. That goes in, all the way like that. And then this panel here goes on the front, and I'm going to have to get down there to see this. So, we've got some slots here, and there's a groove at the top and on the right hand side of the box. So you've got to put the top in first, like so, then get the bottom in, and then push it to the right, and that's it. It's located, so you push it in under the top and then to the right, clearing all these little spiky things, and that's it. That's the new cabin filter installed in a BA Falcon. Quick job, 5 minutes, anyone can do it. 0.1 of a star out of 5 for difficulty. Oh, you need to put this back in. So this is the reverse of removal. So you'd see here, these are just like a rounded mould, so they just sit in there. So push them down into place, and then push this clear, and bam, you're done. And you put all your rubbish paperwork back in your glove box so you don't lose it. The stuff you usually keep in there, you know, things that you never ever need. Job done. Now for the next job.